how to replace the rear sway bar link in your C5 Chevy Corvette. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley.
So here is one of the rear sway bar links right here on the driver's side. Then as you come across, you'll see the other link on the passenger side. So I'm going to remove these. There's a 18mm nut at the top here, and on the flip side there's another 18mm nut right here. So just remove the two 18mm nuts and we should be able to get off the end link. So while I'm trying to loosen it, you can just see the nut spin. So what you need to do is use an 18mm wrench and get it here to hold the bolt and stop it from spinning, and then you can remove it. Okay, so with the lower nut off, we're just going to repeat the process at the top. So here's a closer view. We have the nut on right here. And then we put the wrench right here to stop it from spinning while we remove the nut. Installation is just the reverse of the removal process. I'm going to get the new one in place and tighten down the nuts. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.